All right, today we're gonna bring the ultimate tool pack. Now, if you need tools, this is the ultimate tool pack that you just require. You're not gonna need anything else, you're just gonna need this. This has every single tool that you need for projects, home use, construction, keeping your car. This makes a great gift for adults, men and women. It could be a Christmas, a birthday. Look at this. Look at this beautiful case, large case. Everything's included in here that you see, including all the tools on the top, all the tools on the bottom. They even throw in zip ties, blades, Allen wrenches, a saw, hammer, monkey wrench, every type of, and not only that, they have the smaller versions of the actual screwdrivers and flatheads and stuff like that. So if you ever want to open phones, you're missing some screws, hang a picture portrait, they include this for drywalls too. Look at this, every single size they have. And on top of that, they do have clips here that you could grip onto certain things. Wire cutters, if you're doing wire electricity, they do have the tape, every single size that you require. Extra expansion ports, longer and short for every single tip, flathead, star, so forth. If you need longer, this is it. I'm gonna go slow so you guys can see even the balance in the middle. Measuring tape. This makes an ultimate gift. Get it for yourself, keep it in your car, keep it at home. Just moved to a new place, you don't have anything, but you bought a lot of furniture, it needs to be built. This is the go-to box.